Unveiling the phrase, nothing to sneeze at. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Nothing to sneeze at. It's a quirky part of the English language, and understanding it can really show off your command of English idioms. So, let's break it down together. Nothing to sneeze at is an idiom that means something is not to be disregarded or is worthy of attention. It's often used to express that something is significant or valuable, even if it might not seem so at first glance. The phrase is interesting because it uses the action of sneezing, something often trivial or automatic, to highlight worth or importance. The origins of nothing to sneeze at are a bit hazy, but it's believed to have emerged in the early 19th century. Sneezing was considered a routine, insignificant act. So, the phrase evolved to mean that something is too important to be considered as inconsequential as a sneeze. It's a great example of how language can take ordinary actions and turn them into meaningful expressions. To really grasp this idiom, let's look at some examples. A job offer with a starting salary of $70,000 is nothing to sneeze at. This means the job offer is very good and should be considered seriously. Winning an award at a local film festival is nothing to sneeze at. This suggests that winning the award is a significant achievement. Having 20 years of experience in a field is nothing to sneeze at. It implies that such experience is valuable and noteworthy. When using nothing to sneeze at, keep in mind, it's best used in informal or conversational contexts. Make sure it's clear from the context that you're highlighting the importance or value of something. It can be a fun way to express admiration or respect for someone's achievements or qualities. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, nothing to sneeze at. It's a colorful way to acknowledge the significance of something in English. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom and perhaps even added a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and understand the culture behind the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.